Struggling with demanding demolition work? Elevate your Typhon Stomp X1300 into a true demolition powerhouse. Introducing the hydraulic rock and concrete breaker hammer, precision engineered exclusively for the Typhon Stomp X1300. Seamless direct mount integration, no adapters required. The X1300's advanced hydraulic system delivers the optimal 3.5 to 8 gallons per minute flow, unlocking maximum braking performance. This robust 185-pound attachment generates 60 to 74 foot-pounds of concentrated impact energy. Equipped with a 1.38-inch chisel, it effortlessly fractures concrete, asphalt, and rock, even in the most confined job sites where larger equipment simply cannot operate. Redefine what your Typhon Stomp X1300 can achieve with the hydraulic rock and concrete breaker hammer. Typhon engineered for excellence.